Hey everybody, Adam Savage here for jet.B, and let me tell you, I love tools. So I'm incredibly excited to take you on a journey into the future of tools. Welcome to our countdown of the top 20 hand tool machines of 2025. From innovative designs to cutting-edge technology, these tools are set to revolutionize your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIYer, get ready to have your mind blown by the incredible capabilities and advancements these tools offer. First up, we've got a powerful new cordless electric screwdriver that's small enough to fit in your pocket but packs enough torque to drive lag bolts. Next, we're checking out a multi-function oscillating tool that can sand, grind, cut, and more with its incredible range of attachments. Say goodbye to tape measures. This laser distance measurer delivers instant, precise measurements at the push of a button. For the ultimate in accuracy, this digital caliper provides precise measurements with a clear, easy-to-read digital display. This cordless impact wrench generates incredible torque to remove even the most stubborn bolts, all while boasting an extended battery life. Take your cutting game to the next level with this portable bandsaw, offering both portability and impressive cutting capacity. This rotary toolkit is a must-have for any workshop, providing a wide range of applications from grinding to polishing and everything in between. Experience the perfect blend of power and comfort with this cordless drill and driver, featuring an ergonomic design for extended use. Achieve a flawless finish with this electric planer, offering adjustable depth settings for precise material removal. This heat gun provides precise temperature control and advanced safety features for a wide range of applications. This cordless angle grinder combines power and versatility, allowing you to tackle various grinding and cutting tasks with ease. Measure angles with absolute precision using this digital angle finder, featuring a clear and easy-to-read display. Experience the precision and extended runtime of this cordless jigsaw, perfect for intricate cuts and extended projects. This electric staple gun delivers exceptional power and ease of use, making quick work of various stapling tasks. Speed up your nailing projects with this cordless nail gun, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Ensure precise torque settings with this digital torque wrench, featuring a digital readout for accurate measurements. This cordless circular saw combines impressive cutting power with the convenience of a cordless design. Achieve a professional quality finish with this electric paint sprayer, offering exceptional efficiency and a smooth, even coat. This cordless reciprocating saw tackles a wide range of cutting tasks with its impressive power and versatility. Ensure perfect leveling with this digital level, providing accurate measurements and ease of use. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 20 hand tool machines of 2025. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to upgrade my entire workshop. These tools represent the cutting edge of technology designed to make your projects easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tools and technology. We're constantly exploring the world of tools and can't wait to share our discoveries with you. Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited about, and tell us what tools you think should be on this list. Until next time, keep building.